Where are you taking us this week, Tim?
We are going to Lac de Paladru from Hilltop.
Well, welcome back to Almost Hilltop. We're actually at Lac de Paladru, so it's a short drive from Hilltop. A little bit larger than our local lake that you can walk to. But here, you can go around on your bicycle, on your motorbike, on your horse. You can walk around, you can jog around, you can drive around. And it's just a lovely place. And so we just popped into our local boulangerie. I'm sure Valeria will show you that. Pick up some sandwiches, then we come out here. Wonderful. So you may have noticed there's been some additional team members that we've brought on board. Really just there to try and make things a little bit more unique and fun. A little bit of humour. So enjoy.
My name is Roger. Can you take a picture of me with the lake in the background?